is good, YouTube? How's everybody doing today? Let's get it. This is day 26 out of day 30. If you guys don't know already, my name is Jay. I'll be teaching you guys about stocks, support resistance, all that stock related. Let's get it. So, Apple today, um, it's crazy. I was like watching this. I already know like what to discuss. Today Apple is up 11 cents. So usually Apple usually does like a anywhere between like a $2, $3 move, $4 move. Um, and it is up 11 cents. And the after hours it is down 11 cents. So basically what it's saying is, it ain't go nowhere today. It ain't go nowhere today. It was just very flat. And when I mean by flat, it's like ranges. It ranges how do I say this? It ranges like side to side. So like for example, the stock would just go like this, you know. Wouldn't go up, wouldn't go down. It would just stay like this, and this would be a range. See, when we get a break to the upside or the downside, that'll be way better. But it was like that today, very choppy, very. I didn't like the price action either. Um, let's break it down. Let's see what is up with today. Let's see, and yeah, let's get into it. So, wow, okay. Remember yesterday we discussed this? We discussed the 20 EMA. We discussed like we want this to go above the 20 EMA and like probably go around this area. Touched the 20 EMA, rejected the 20 EMA, came back down, went down to 141, bounced up, and now it's at 143. We can see here though, if I zoom in just a tad. Wow, you gotta zoom in even more. Right here. These two lines are so tempted to cross. These two purple lines. And I have talked about this when these lines cross. It can lead to a short term or longer term momentum. For example, um, right here, this is a bearish sign when these two lines cross. This is more longer term though, because it is the 100 and the 200 EMA. This is the shorter term. So when these two cross, it's like, okay, a shorter term, bullish sign. Um, I want to wait to see what happens when these guys cross. Volume on the day, it's nothing too crazy. 61 million. That's probably why it's so flat. I mean, you guys can see right here. Look, so where my mouse is at right now. So this is like the volume per day, right? You see, this is above average. This is like 100 million, and look at this, 63 million. Like that's not even, that's not even crazy. RSI also is at 48.35. I did say like when it hits like the 50 range, it could either reject it or come to like even higher, like the 56 range. Um, just because like the 50 is like a support. I mean, it's a resistance currently. Um, if we see it go probably like past 55, we could definitely anticipate it going like to the 60 to 70 area. Um, RSI based on. But yeah, not really much volume today. Um, it is forming. Oh, I gotta add the drawings. In my opinion, let me. Okay. So, in my opinion, I think it's forming like a little triangle. So, let me. This is looking quite like a triangle, and it's about to break. It looks like it's about to break out very soon. Um, this is on the daily though, but let's break it down to the hourly. Let's see what is up on the hourly. I'm gonna leave this triangle here just for my basis. See what happens with this triangle. We did see though, exactly how I predicted. Uh, it came up to the resistance and came back down and it just consolidated. Now, I don't know if you guys remember yesterday where I did say stock comes here, comes to the resistance, comes back down and just consolidates. And that's exactly what happened today. Very flat, nothing too crazy. It did find like a little support right here on this trend line that I drew. Right here on like the 142 area. held the 142 area. And yeah, it's not really much to like go at just because it was very flat today. If you guys would have gotten calls or puts, uh, and you made profit, that's good. But a lot of people would have probably lost money just because it's flat. Not really much movement here. Let's add the indicators though. Let's see what is up with these indicators. Let's get rid of the drawings because we don't need a drawing. You just like look at the indicators. Wow. Okay. This is this is kind of messy. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so this is good and bad. The reason why I say it's good is because this candle right now it's under majority of the EMAs. I want to see this candle go higher than the 5 and the 100 currently, just cause you know, I want to see like a little more bullish. I really anticipate this hitting like the 146. This candle coming up to the 146 area, and just either rejecting it or having a small pullback and then go above this 146, aka 200 EMA. Our side on the hourly is 55. We could definitely see it come up a little bit more, like to the 60 range on the hourly, of course. There's not really much to break down. It's very flat. Like when there's a move, I could break that down like the moves, but it's very flat. I'm like just zooming in. It did hold the like the 50. The 50 EMA is like a bounce. So like right here, you guys can see it right here. It did touch these EMAs on the 50. So it came down, touched the 50, bounced up. Same thing with this one. It came back down, touched the 50, and bounced back up. Same thing with this one. This candle, it came down to the 20 EMA, and it bounced up. I could show you guys like what happened. Now let me add the drawings real quick. This is on a 15-minute time frame, by the way. But yeah, we could definitely see it just touching resistance. This is a big resistance though. Like as you can see, the past previous days, heavy on resistance. You know, I definitely anticipate a breakout very soon. So right now, stock is here. It could either hit this and just start bouncing in between it, right? That's scenario one where it's just flat. But there wasn't really much volume today, if I'm being very honest. I anticipate some volume tomorrow, hopefully. But that's scenario number one. Scenario number two is bounces off and makes a new high, right? That is scenario two. Scenario three would be the total opposite, where it would touch this and make a breakdown to the lower low on the 200 EMA, which is right here to the 142. Those are the three possible scenarios for tomorrow. What I'm gonna anticipate tomorrow, with volume, probably like a $3 to $4 move. Without volume, like at the $1-2 move. You know, nothing too crazy. SPY itself, what's SPY at? SPY was down $2.63 today. You know, has the same thing as Aapl currently. Gaps have to be filled also on Aapl. And what are gap ups and downs currently? VIX also up, you know, nothing too crazy. So just remember I said that VIX is like, it examines the market. It says like, oh, whether the market is doing good or doing bad. Nothing too crazy. But this is day 26? Yeah, this is day 26 out of day 30. We have 4 more days, and yeah, beginner's course will begin shortly. It's crazy, yo. I'm just like thinking about like 26. I've already done 26 videos. You know, that's really insane to me. Cause like I'm not really like a like I remember like I used to be scared of like posting videos or anything like that, like showing like what I do and everything. But like now it's like I'm actually doing it. I'm like, wow, okay, this is very interesting. But hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, concerns, anything stock related, just hit my DMs. My DMs are always free. I'll reply to you as soon as I can. And yeah, peace out, guys.